Hello, and congratulations on your new purchase of the Viridian Weapon Technologies X5L Gen 3. Today, we will show you how to properly install this unit on your firearm. We will be installing the unit on the Glock 17. However, these steps work to install the X5L Gen 3 on any standard Picatinny or Weaver rail. Pick up your firearm. Keeping the firearm pointed in a safe direction, remove the magazine. Then, open the action and visually and manually check that there is nothing in the chamber. With the slide lock to the rear, insert a chamber check and close the action. Keep a chamber check in your firearm at all times when installing or adjusting the X5L Gen 3. After unboxing your X5L Gen 3, make sure you have the following items: your X5L Gen 3 unit with rechargeable battery and removable rail, 1 cross-mount screw, 1 toolbox, 1 windage and elevation adjustment tool, 1 warning sticker. Pick up the X5L Gen 3 and take out the removable rail from your unit. Slide or clip the unit to the rail of the gun you are mounting to. Lay it on its side with the fixed rail away from you. Drop the removable rail into the unit. It will only go in one way, so if it does not drop in easily, try flipping it so that the round side is facing you. Take the cross-mount screw and drop it into the open slot. Then, take any standard flathead screwdriver and hand tighten it down. Once your unit is mounted, it is a good idea to charge it fully, as the battery will only be about 30% charged. Once your unit is fully charged, press it lightly for momentary activation, or press a bit harder to keep it on. To cycle through the modes, press both buttons down and release. To use your unit with an instant-on equipped holster, turn the unit to the mode you wish to turn on when unholstered. When you holster it, you will see the unit turn off, but when you draw, it's on. We hope this video has helped you to install the Viridian X5L Gen 3. If you have other questions, please give our customer service department a call at 1-800-990-9390. We are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. We can also be reached by email at info@viridianweapontech.com.